Hello everyone. We are here at Delhi Public World International School and the school is preparing for a science exhibition 2025 on the occasion of Republic Day. So the whole school is preparing for this exhibition with wholehearted inspiration and energy. The students here are full of energy and they are preparing for the science exhibition. They are showing their scientific skill and creative inspiration through their projects on this day. So now we are going to see some of our students how they are preparing for our science project. So our students are making very interesting projects on very interesting subjects. So let us know what are all interesting subjects and topics our students are making. Let me start with this row first. So tell me, what is the subject you are making project on?
Art and English.
Art and English. So is there any name you have kept for the project?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name?
Art, collage and English parts of speech.
Okay, so why are you interested to make art in this subject? There are many subjects, but why did you choose that?
Ma'am, it's so interesting.
It is so interesting. Okay, so let me ask from them, what is the topic you are making?
Art and craft.
Yes?
Art and craft.
You also art and craft?
Yes.
So why did you choose this subject? Why not others?
Ma'am, because it is very
It is very interesting and easy. Okay. So let me ask from the next table here, what is the topic you are making?
Forms of verb.
Forms of verb. So why did you choose this topic?
Because I love it.
You love the grammar, that is why? Okay. So let me ask from this kids what interesting projects they are making. So tell me what project you are making?
Noun and types.
Noun and types. So why did you choose this topic?
Because in English is very much good.
Because English is very easy. So you all can see that these children are actually very creative in different arts subject like English, art, science and all that, and they are making very creative projects for this science exhibition. So we have here Divya and Garvi making another interesting project. So tell me, what is the project name?
Subject and predicate.
Which subject it is?
Grammar.
Okay, so why did you choose this topic?
We like grammar so
You
much.
like grammar. Okay, so that's a really interesting subject and really interesting projects which they are making. We can see there are many other students of our school who are making creative and interesting projects. So let us see what are the projects they are making in the subject of AI and robotics. So let us move into our robotics class and look into the projects which they are making. So let me first start with this row. So tell me, what is the project you are making in AI?
I am making a project in which the door is there and when it will be opened by electric and the electricity will pass, so Arduino is used in that. So we will also use 4x4 keypad and then after when we will use 4x4 keypad, so there are four numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and we will press one number. So one LED will be on, like it is also happening in the hotels for the room control.
What is the name of your project?
Street lights.
Street light. Okay, so how are you going to make this project?
We will first take a base, then we will make a hospital, school, houses and playground. We will use straws for making street lights. We will take some instruments for cutting and for pasting things. Thank you.
Okay, so that's an interesting project where art and robotics. So now we have our guide of robotics for our students, Harshit sir, and let us talk with Harshit sir. What are the projects he is making? So sir, we want to know about the projects which you are making. So please kindly share the projects, the ideas. So students, please go to that side and let me talk to Harshit sir. So please.
So some of the ideas which we are working on is totally based on what you can say image processing. So one of the projects over here, if you can redirect your thing with this. So let's suppose you can bring the camera over here so you will be able to see it better. Okay. So let's suppose 5 LEDs are there. Okay. So it is totally dependent on my hand movement. So it will detect my hand.
Okay.
So I am showing 5. That means 5. So 5 fingers means all the 5 LEDs are glowing. 4 fingers mean 4 LEDs. And if I close all of them, all the LEDs will turn off. So it's like it's detecting my hand movement. If I am holding just 1 finger, 2 finger, and based on that, it is turning on and turning off the LED. So this is totally on image processing. So let's suppose you are about to sleep on your bed, okay, and everyone has security camera at their home. So instead of just saying, so let's suppose the other person is also sleeping. So normally you say, Alexa, turn off the light. So that person might woke up. So now you can just point off and the light will turn off, and you can just point on and the light will turn on.
So basically, you all are making people more lazy.
No, it's not about making people lazy. It's about see, ma'am. If I talk about sleep, so if you don't eat, you can stay alive for 24 days. If you don't drink, you can stay alive for 21 days. But if you don't sleep, you will be dead by 5 days, because sleep is the most important thing right now in terms of the peaceful environment.
Okay, sir. So our excitement for your projects is also limitless. We will wait for more exciting projects to come. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So after Harshit sir's idea, now let us meet Gopal sir. What all exciting projects he is giving to the students. So sir, I can see you're working on many wires and plugs and all that. So can you tell me more about what projects you're making?
Yes, here we are integrating software and hardware in one project, and I'm using Python. And like you must have seen Iron Man movie, there is a person means Jarvis. That is a software. So it will take command from my voice. Like if I say activate Jarvis, Jarvis activate. So I'm still working on it. So it will take some particular keywords, and depending upon my command, it will execute it.
So you can see our students have made very interesting projects in AI and robotics. Our school, Delhi Public World International School, is making our students aware and creative on these topics from beforehand only. Because we know AI is a topic which will be there into our world after 10 years in a complete grip. So we are making our students advanced from now only. So we all will be waiting for the exciting projects which is going to come on 26th in the Science Fair of Delhi Public World International School 2024-2025. Thank you.